Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Success Equals Financial Freedom. I'm your host, Briere. If you're new to the channel, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and please don't forget to click on that notification bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I wanted to bring you guys back phase 10 because the flyer and the postcards have been updated and we have a cover letter now. So I wanted to show you the flyer. This is the new phase 10 flyer. If you're a member of phase 10, you'll be receiving this as well via email. You just have to let Lon Lindsay know that you like to receive your flyer, okay? And I like the way Lon Lindsay has done this. The flyer looked good, the other one, but this one is a little more, stands out more. If you say, I'll say that. Okay, so if you guys were wondering how much it costs to join phase 10, there's 10 phases. So if you would like to come in at phase 1, it's going to cost you $2 and 4 forever stamps if you're joining via mail. That's right, $2 and 4 forever stamps if you're joining through the mail. If you're mailing in your flyer and your payment, the stamps are included in that. Okay, you have to send the stamps as well when you're joining via mail. If you're joining via Cash App, the cost of the stamps are included in the payment. So you just have to email Lon Lindsay and let them know you'd like to join via Cash App. How much do I have to pay? Okay, so there's 3 options here. You could choose option A, which is phase 1. You only send $2 and 4 forever stamps and you'll receive your starter package. Option B, you'll send $17 or money order, cash or money order, and you'll send 15 forever stamps. That qualifies you on the first 3 income streams. Or option C, you can be qualified on 1 through 6 of phase 1. You can be qualified 1 through 6 of the phases in phase 10. So you'll be qualified to earn on phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now, I came in at option B. I'm actually qualified to earn from phases 1 to 5. I'm going to be upgrading soon. But I recommend that you guys, if you can't come in at option C, do option B, where you can at least earn from the first 3 phases. If you want to come all in and be qualified on the first 6 phases, you have to send $100 cash or money order and 1 book of 20 stamps. Now, like I said, remember you guys, if you would choose option C, you'll receive 300 special buyer leads plus a $250 bonus, okay? Now, remember what I said. If you're mailing in your payment along with the flyer, you have to send the stamps as well. If you're joining via Cash App, the cost of the stamps are included in that payment. So you'll be paying to join, and you'll also be covering the cost of the stamps when you join via Cash App, okay? So that's the flyer here. I'll leave the link to this flyer in the description. You'll just fill it out with your name, address, state, zip code, phone number, email address, okay? Lon Lindsay needs to get in contact with you via phone or email, so you will need to leave a phone number, okay? This is my ID number, 167853. This is the 24-hour message recorded line. Call that number and listen to Lon Lindsay go over the program. You will be sending this flyer along with the cash or money order to Lon Lindsay. This is his address right here, okay? And the number of stamps as well. So if you're joining via mail, you'll have to fill out this flyer, select option A, B, or C, send the stamps along with this flyer and the cash as well, along with the flyer filled out, and you're good to go, okay? So that's what the flyer looks like. We also have a cover letter. This is my cover letter for phase 10, okay? You can add your own picture. Okay, this is the cover letter that you can mail out with your flyer. Okay, I'll read over it briefly. So it says, the fear of inflation and the decreasing value of our dollar hovers over us in these economic times. High. The above statement seems to be dictating our lives, and even more so, what can we do about it? With inflation, there is only one answer, and that is having more money to replace what inflation takes from us, but how? The enclosed flyer or postcard informs you about a money-generating program that is affordable to begin, $2 and 4 forever stamps, and guides you to and through 10 streams of income. Phase 10 was created to force people to make money, and that is exactly what the Phase 10 program does. And that's true. I've received payments from it as well, you guys. The potential income that is provided on the back of the flyer speaks for itself, but it can't happen if you don't begin to make by taking action, immediate action. Some people will spend their time trying to find out sorry you guys, I'm reading pretty fast here, trying to figure out why something won't work while others will take action and make it work. My hope is that you're an action taker. Read the enclosed flyer once to see what Phase 10 is about. Read it a second time to get excited. Just follow the instructions and you will be on your way to multiple streams of income as you become the leader of followers. So this is my cover letter that I can mail out with my flyer. Okay? So I wanted to show you guys the new flyer, new Phase 10 flyer, as well as you can get a cover letter, create Lonnie to send you a cover letter with your picture on it. That's my picture. Okay? And also to talk to you guys about the website. Okay, this is the Phase 10 website that you guys can get. It's only a one-time fee of $15. A one-time fee of $15. Now you don't need the website, but it's best to have it because people can just come here and join straight from the website. Okay. So this is basically. So let's go to how Phase 10 works. Okay. So I'm going to quickly go over the phases really quick here. Okay, so it says how Phase 10 works. Phase 10 pays 100%, 90%, 80% of cash costs in a unique follow the lead approach where you are the leader. Phase 1, the cost is $2 and 4 forever stamps. You qualify to receive $2 for each person you sponsor, plus you receive the Phase 10 startup package along with 10 buyer leads plus a bonus of 20 more to help get you started. So you'll get 30 leads with Phase 1. When you join Phase 1, you send your $2 and your 4 forever stamps. You'll get your startup package, which will include 30 buyer leads altogether. This is the introductory phase that shows you how Phase 10 works, as it pays you 100% of the money cost when you enroll in this phase. It provides a way for you to earn as you learn. Okay, so this phase you're able to receive $2, you guys. Now I know if you're $2 is not a lot, but you know what? Those $2 payments can add up. So this is Phase 1. It costs $2 and 4 forever stamps. Remember I said if you're joining via mail, you'll have to send the stamps along with the payment. If you're joining via Cash App, you only send the payment. But the cost of the stamps is included, so you'll have to contact Lon Lindsay to ask him how much you'll have to pay altogether. Okay? Phase 2. The cost is $5 and 4 forever stamps. You qualify to receive $5 for each follower plus 15 buyer leads plus a bonus of 15 more. So you're going to get 30 leads with Phase 2. Okay? This phase advances you into the builders phase where you continue to sponsor new people into Phase 1. As Phase 1, people begin to follow you into Phase 2. Okay? Not everybody stays at Phase 1, you guys. If you can stay here, if you have to stay here for a while, don't be stuck here because it's best to keep going higher. Now, like I said, I'm qualified on all 5 phases. I'm going to be entering Phase 6 soon, okay? I did not come into Phase 10 to stay at one phase, okay? I wanted to get to the highest phase there. Not the highest phase yet, but enough to be able to earn bigger commissions, okay? So that is Phase 2. And these are one-time payments, you guys. I forgot to mention that. One-time payments, you don't have to pay monthly fees. I know it's very affordable, okay? It's very affordable, okay? Phase 3, the cost is $10 and 5 forever stamps. You qualify to receive $10 on your first follower, then 8 on each additional follower, plus you receive 20 buyer leads plus a bonus of 10 more. Phase 3 increases your income streams 3 as you continue turn from Phase 1 and Phase 2 and now add Phase 3 as your third income stream. So you get 30 leads with Phase 3 as well. Okay? So I'm going to come back on here. This is going to be a part 1, and this is part 1, and I'm going to come back with part 2. So stay tuned and see you guys in part 2.